Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Hing Mui Gummy bears. Here are the following ingredients. Hing Mui is a dried salted plum that locals love to sprinkle on various things. The Hing Mui powder is made from grinding up dried plum. It has a sweet, salty, and sour taste to it. Great to put on shave ice, fruits, popcorn, and many more. First, make the gummy bears. If you prefer to use store-bought gummy bears, you can skip ahead. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine gelatin and water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to fully bloom. Set aside. In a medium pot, combine the sugar, corn syrup, and sorbitol. Stir gently to combine. Heat it over medium heat to bring it to a simmer. Take it off the heat, add in the citric acid to the gelatin, and add in the sugar mixture. Stir until the gelatin has melted. Soon, bubbles or foam will rise to the top. Scrape the foam off with a spoon. Divide the mixture with a strainer for 3 different flavorings. Stir in half a teaspoon of flavoring. Optionally, add in food coloring according to the flavor. Lightly spray the mold with oil. Using a dropper, carefully fill it up and squeeze the mixture into the gummy molds. If the mixture starts to cool down or harden, you can heat it up in the microwave to return it to its warmer state. Next, let it chill in the fridge for 24 hours. The longer it chills, the less sticky it becomes. Take out the gummies from the mold and let it sit or dry out a few days if you want it to be less stickier. Now to make the local version, in a bowl, add in lemon juice, the sugar, and Hing Mui powder. Mix it well. Adjust the lemon juice and Hing Mui to your preference. Add the mixture to the gummies and mix until it all has been coated. Serve and enjoy these ownerlicious Hing Mui gummy bears.